Okay, let's graph a linear of inequalities. So the best part about linear inequalities is that usually the answers are in multiple choice, which is so easy to recognize based on your inequalities and where the y variable is. But in this case, we don't have multiple choice, so we have to figure it out. So y less than x plus 1, how do we do that? Well, we know it's gonna be dotted, so we have to figure out, remember, so we have to figure out our AHK as usual. Our A value we know is 1. My H is equal to, remember, A value is the slope. A equals 1, H equals 0, K equals positive 1. This is our y-intercept. So we're looking at this based on the vertex form. So at 0, 1, this is y and this is x. At 0, 1, which is up here, we start there. My slope is 1 over 1. Remember, it's rise over run. So it'll be up 1 to the right once. Okay, so then we just draw our dotted line. Let me see here. We draw our dotted line here through those 2 points. Okay, let's extend this line. And it's y less than, it's pointing at the y. So that means we're going to be shading below my y-intercept. So we're going to be shading down here. Okay, don't worry about notification. Okay, now let's graph the other one. The other one is going to be solid. So our A value is -1/2. Our H is 0. We know our K is -2. This is my y-intercept. And this is going to be my rise over run. So at 0, -2, right here, I'm going to go, sorry, it should be going down here since it's negative. I'm going to go down 1 to the right 2 times. And since it's a solid line, just draw our line here. There we go. To check your work, since my slope is negative, it's going to be decreasing. Okay, if my slope is positive, it's going to be increasing. Alright. To figure out which one's negative, it doesn't matter which one. You could have done negative here, you could have done positive here, so it would have went up 1 to the left 2 times. So it doesn't matter. So now y is greater, so I'm going to be going upwards, above, so I'm going to shade everything. Whoops, I'm going to shade everything above my line. Okay, so now we see where they overlap. Our solution set would be everything here. Everything here. This is called our solution set. So this is how I would want to see your test. Okay. In another case, if you're not familiar with AHK, this is just your M, and your y-intercept, you don't have to worry about this, we know is B, just 0, 1. You know this as our M. This is B.